Hi, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make huaraches. One of chorizo and one of cecina. The ingredients I'm going to use 5 cups of maseca, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we're going to use black beans and a little bit of onion to fry them. Now the toppings are chorizo, cecina, queso fresco, sour cream, cilantro, and a little bit of onion. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the masa. So I'm gonna mix the maseca, the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, a little bit of salt. Make sure you mix this really good. So now you can see that the masa is ready. And you can test it out by doing a small ball. And you're gonna see that it's perfect. So now I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna fry the beans. So I have my beans, but we're gonna drain the juice that they have because we don't want the beans to have any liquid. So then I already have my pan in there with the oil. And as you can see, it's very hot, like these tiny pieces. All right, now I'm gonna fry them. Make sure you keep it low because we don't want the beans to get burned. Do not add water to this. We don't need water for the beans. As you can see, you see the bubbling. So now is the time to remove them from the heat. So now we're gonna do a ball. Like if we're gonna make a tortilla, that's how it's gonna look. Gonna make tortilla. Now we're gonna add the beans. Don't put too many. I'm gonna fold it like this. And now I'm gonna flatten it again. You see, it's okay if those came out, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Try to flat. And I'm gonna put it here. So that's how you gotta keep making them. It's not perfect, but so remember I said some of them are gonna inflate. This is what I mean. See, that's how you know they're cooked. And that's when we're gonna remove them out there and put them aside. Okay, so I finished my huaraches. As you can see, I got 19 huaraches. The amount of huaraches you're gonna get is depending on the size that you want. If you want them bigger, smaller. And as you can see, they are not perfect, but they are gonna taste really good. So we're gonna put that aside, and now I'm gonna get the meat. And I also gonna put my tomatillos with my peppers. I got about 12 green peppers and 4 tomatillos. Just keep in mind that I'm using that amount of peppers because I want my sauce to be a little hot. So I'm gonna boil them for a few minutes. For this part too, if you don't have this kind of meat, you can also get steak, carne asada, chicken. But for me, I'm gonna use this cecina and the chorizo. Cut it in tiny pieces. So now let's do the chorizo. We want this in tiny pieces also. All right. And now I'm gonna put it on the griddle. So for this, I'm gonna use half for the cecina. And while that is cooking, I'm gonna check my tomatillos. As you can see, my tomatillos are ready to take out.
Heads up, Jerry's still up in the kitchen. The alarm makes sound. It's slowly to be mine.
And there you go. This is how you want your sauce for the huaraches. Okay, now I'm gonna prepare them. I'm gonna add a little bit of beans on top. Just a little bit. You don't have to. And we're gonna make one with cecina. And one with chorizo. Now we're gonna add some cilantro with a little bit of onion. Gonna add the cheese. Some cream. And the hot sauce. And there you go. Alright, so here is my final product and I'm gonna try it now. Let's try the chorizo first. So, it's really good. I like it. So let's go to the other side and try the cecina one. These are really good. You gotta try them. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe.